We are looking our worst this January 3rd.
The first of the year.
1996. Snows. Well, we did some shoveling yesterday, didn't we?
I love these performances that Mom puts on.
I shoveled.
Mom is very funny in front of the camera. When she hangs up, she's going to be really angry and not a lot of fun to be around.
Nick has his grandmother out there shoveling.
When did he say that?
When he came in last night. Because she was
He said what?
He said.
When was Go out shoveling?
Last night with Jeff.
Nick has his grandmother?
Yeah.
How's that shoveling?
Hey, Dad.
You weren't shoveling. You were bringing my hat out.
This is on tape, Dad.
I was shoveling that.
You're a slob.
Isn't he?
I want to see you out there shoveling this 50-pound snow, George. I'm issuing a challenge.
Is that 50 pound snow?
Heavy. Heavy. Oh, wait a minute. We need brighter lights. This is going to look great. There.
Oh, that's going to be great.
Now it's going to come good. Get Nick's coconut too.
Delicious.
Oh, no, that's enough. Don't be silly.
Yeah, there it is, Nick. Don't be silly.
Boys! What, now, Jeff and Nick, I've about had it. Get over here! Cut it, Nick! What did I tell you?
Nick, stop it.
Jeff, that's enough!